Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to explain to you what I just get to know about. I made research and I get to know about this, that if you are making this mistake, it is possible that your video might not be going viral and it might cause frustration and even get you discouraged. In this video I'm going to show you what you're supposed to do before you post your video. So when you upload your video to your YouTube dashboard, you have added your thumbnail, your description, add it to playlist. The next thing that you're supposed to do is to click on show more. This particular show more here, when you click on it, you're going to see more options, and where we are really going to is these two here: allow embedding and publish to subscription feed and notify subscribers. According to my research, it says that if these two are marked, there is possibility that your video might not go viral. Though I'm just getting to know about it and I'm just trying it for the first time, so I hope it works. So this video is mainly for beginners like me, so I hope it works for us. So I'm going to unmark the two of them, like you remove it and just save it. The next target is your tag. They say that if you put your tag, like the appropriate tag, it's possible that your video might go viral. So, and according to my research again, it says that you can generate your tag online, and all you have to do is just to type tag generator on your Chrome, and it's going to bring you a different one, and you're going to click on repeat tags. When you click on it, it would ask for your title, so you click it and type in your title, and it would bring different tags for you for the title that you are putting. Just wait for it to load up, and according to my own title, these are the tags suggested, and what you have to do is just to click on copy and go back to your dashboard and click on paste, and you can see now it is now on my tags. And you do your other necessary settings, like your elements, add your end screen, add your cards. All of this also generates views, it also generates subscribers. So just calm down to make sure you arrange your videos very well before you post it, and YouTube would check if your video is eligible for ads, if it has no copyright and everything, and you schedule your video and watch your video goes viral. By the grace of God, it would go viral. And thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and I hope that you get monetized this year while you enjoy yourself. Bye bye, take care. I love you.